Banana flowers are called banana hearts for a reason. They have lots of health benefits as it has a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Every part of the banana plant has found a use in tropical cuisine. So today let's pick up the banana blossom or flower to put to good use. Here I have taken 2 flowers or kodappan and I will show you how to clean and cut it. Remove the red petals one by one until you will find it completely white. Cut off the stem and wash it thoroughly on running water. Now we will chop it finely. And keep it aside. Here I have kept all the ingredients well in advance to cook this immediately, as the vegetable may oxidize and turn black if kept it for longer period. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon coconut oil in a pan. Once the oil is piping hot, splatter 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Then add few curry leaves, 3 chopped green chillies, 5 sliced shallots. Saute it until onion is translucent. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder and stir well. Now in goes half cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon salt, and give it a good mix until its water is absorbed. Finally add chopped banana flour and give it a good mix. Close the lid and let it cook by its own water. You can stir it occasionally and adjust the salt if required. Stir fry carefully for another couple of minutes so that all water evaporates and the mixture is not soggy. Switch off the flame and keep it at least 5 minutes before serving so that the thoran absorbs all the flavors. Serve and enjoy.